Hey, how y'all doing? There's gonna be a quick unboxing over here, and this is my first Swampfox Liberty, and this is Liberty II. If you haven't seen it already from the description, but if you want to take a full look at it, just in case, hopefully you don't run into any issues with counterfeits. I've been seeing that come around lately, but not very often ish. Just your miles may vary. Just I would avoid, the typical things, the AliExpress and whatnot. But it's gonna be like the usual that we get with Swamp Fox. So you got the warranty support. You got your manual there. They put a lot of effort into their kind of like the product showing, which is cool. Your cleaning cloth, and then of course your tool for tightening. And here's the optic itself. It does have a hood cover on it, which I do appreciate. I do always like that with the Swamp Fox. Vortex as well. Holosun still needs to work on that, but can't argue with the quality you get with Holosun. So, let's see if we can just massage this out real quick. And let's take a look here. Pretty snug in there, which is a good thing. Just means it has a good fit. And there we go. Probably due to that little bit of the lip on the hood that made it, or the lip on the front, that made it a little bit more finicky. But there you go. It's top mounted, which is nice to see. Of course, another tool there. And the customary battery, even though a lot of places where you can find them may say that it doesn't come with a battery, but in fact it does. Your 1632, and then of course all your different screws over here as well. So just wanted to give a quick review here. So at least an unboxing. Sorry, I didn't mean to say review. That may come later in time, but this is going to be put on a certain pistol I just bought. More on that later. All right, I'll catch you later.